TDS meters, total dissolved solids, are compact, affordable tools that help consumers verify water quality across household, aquarium, hydroponics, and filtration applications. With increasing emphasis on drinking water safety, monitoring RODI systems, and ensuring filter effectiveness, list number 1. After researching the all-new 4-in-1 TDS meter digital water tester, I noticed that in the real world, the TDS tester's titanium alloy probe contributes to stable readings and longer probe life, particularly when testing varied water sources. The 4-in-1 feature set is convenient for hobbyists and homeowners who want an all-in-one tool without swapping devices. However, the 0 to 9999 ppm range, while adequate for typical drinking water and RODI checks, may limit high TDS applications, industrial or highly mineral-rich water. The device's customer-centric promises, lifetime support, clear backlit display, auto-lock, hold function are compelling, but calibration stability over time and long-term probe durability are factors to verify with continued use.
List number 2. HM Digital TDS3 Handheld TDS Meter with Carrying Case. HM Digital's TDS3 is a compact, purpose-built tester with a long track record in the field. It features a built-in digital thermometer, an LCD display, and a carry case with belt clip. The device emphasizes accuracy, listed plus or minus 2% readout, and a familiar 0 to 9990 ppm range, making it a go-to for commercial or serious hobbyist environments where portability and a case are valued. Performance-wise, the TDS3's strength is its proven electronics and straightforward operation, hold function for readings, reliable display clarity, and a simple workflow that suits fieldwork or kitchen testing. The device's limitations are largely tied to its design heritage. No explicit 4-in-1 function beyond TDS and temperature, and the stated battery life is short for intensive testing, average life around 3 hours under some usage assumptions. The plastic housing and interior electronics are robust enough for everyday use, but not designed for rugged industrial environments.
List number 3. TDS meter. Hone Forest positions its 3-in-1 TDS, EC, and temperature meter as a user-friendly, accurate option with a titanium alloy probe and a large backlit LCD. The auto-lock and auto-off features are emphasized as part of a streamlined user experience, making it easy to stabilize readings quickly in diverse testing scenarios: drinking water, RODI systems, aquariums, hydroponics. In practice, the Hone Forest meter delivers fast stabilization and selectable units for temperature, Fahrenheit or Celsius, which is convenient for users who test across different regions. The 0 to 999 ppm range aligns with typical consumer-grade water tests, and the device's compact form factor supports testing in small reservoirs or dispensing taps. Some reviewers note that calibration stability over months may vary, and the 3-in-1 feature set is slightly less expansive than 4-in-1 competitors. But for many users, the combination of accuracy, display quality, and battery efficiency creates a strong value proposition.
List number 4. Water Tester for Drinking Water. TDS Meter Turbidity Tester. Craft 901 markets a 2-in-1 tester focusing on TDS and turbidity, with a backlit display and auto-lock function. The device emphasizes a 3-year warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee, aiming to reassure customers about reliability and post-purchase support, while addressing turbidity as an indicator of filter performance. Performance-wise, the turbidity feature adds a valuable dimension for users monitoring filtration systems and drinking water clarity. However, turbidity measurement can be sensitive to sampling technique and particle load, so expectations should consider measurement variability. The inclusion of a case and warranties strengthen buyer confidence, but the product's longevity and calibration stability over time remain important considerations for those relying on precise, repeatable readings in professional settings.
List number 5. Digital TDS meter.
HOFUN's 3-in-1 meter emphasizes a broad range of applications with the 0 to 9,990 kpm TDS reading and EC plus temperature metrics. The device uses a titanium alloy probe for durability and features a large backlit display, auto lock, and auto off to optimize power consumption. The marketing highlights its versatility for testing drinking water, RODI systems, hydroponics, pools, spas, and aquariums. In use, HOFUN delivers fast stabilization and readable results with a straightforward workflow ideal for home setups and hobbyists who test across multiple environments. The auto-off function conserves power for occasional testers, though repeated on-off cycles may extend calibration intervals. For users who require occasional multi-environment testing without investing in multiple meters, HOFUN offers a compelling blend of features, price, and adaptability.